This lesson is part 2 for the subject of mathematics class 10th, which is being submitted to you on 30th November 2020. Students, now let us revise chapter 16, that is three-dimensional solids, that is cylinder and cone. So, for any right circular cylinder, volume is pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Now, second is lateral or curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h, and the total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. Students, the derivation of all these formulas we have already discussed in the assignment. I hope you remember that. Now, let us discuss about right circular cone. Here, slant height, that is L, is equal to square root h square plus r square. I hope students you remember how to calculate this value by using Pythagoras theorem. Now, the volume of cone is, it is actually the 1/3 of volume of cylinder. See, volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Clear? Now the next formula is curved or lateral surface area is equal to pi r L, where L is the slant height, and total surface area is pi r L, that is curved surface area plus area of the base of a cone, that is pi r square. So, after taking pi r common, the formula is pi r L plus r in bracket. I hope now these formulas are clear to you. So now let us discuss few examples. Now see, example number 1 is the volume of a right cone is 462 meter cube and its height is 9 meter. Find the following of the cone. Now you have to find the area of the base of a cone and lateral surface area. Now let us see how to solve this. Now students, here height is 9 meter, volume is also given, that is 462 meter cube. Now we know that the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Now let us substitute the value. See, volume is 462, then that is equal to 1/3 into 22/7, which is the value of pi. Now students, here radius is missing, so we'll keep radius as it is, that is r square, and height is 9 meter. So after solving this, we will get r square as 49. So this implies r is 7 meter. Clear? So therefore, area of the base is pi r square. Why pi r square, students? Because in a cone, the base is in the form of a circle. So it is pi r square. So here r is 7, that is 7 into 7, and pi is 22 upon 7. So the answer is 154 meter square. Now let us see the second part. See, in the second part, we have lateral surface area as pi rl. Now since L is not given, what is L now? The slant height. So L is under root height square plus radius square. That is 9 square plus 7 square, which is equal to square root 130. Now students, we need to calculate the value of 130 by long division method. I hope you all remember. So after solving this, we will get the value as 11.4. So the answer is 250.8 meter square. Now students, see example number 2. A solid metallic cone is melted to form cylinder. Find the number of cylinders if the radius of the base of each cylinder is half of the radius of the cone and the height of each cylinder is 1/3 the height of the cone. So, in order to find the ratio, what we will do is, we will take volume of cone upon volume of cylinder. Now students, we know that volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now we know that the height is 1/3 and the radius is half. Clear? So after cancelling the terms, we will get 4 as the answer. Clear? Now the next example is example number 3. A circus tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a right cone. The height of the cylindrical part is 11 decimeter. The base of the tent has a diameter of 24 decimeter and the total height of the tent is 16 decimeter. Now find the area of the canvas required to make the tent. Now let us see, for the cylindrical part, radius is 12 centimeter, height is 11 decimeter. It is not centimeter, it is decimeter. Clear? For conical part, radius is 12 decimeter and height is 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11, that is 5 decimeter. So the area of canvas required is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Now students, what is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder? Yes, that is 2 pi r h. Clear? So it is 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of cone is pi r l. So now let us substitute the values. Students, here you can take pi r common. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is 12. and then in the bracket you are left with 2H plus L. By doing so, the calculation become easier. Now let us see what L is. That is the slant height. That is equal to 5 square plus 12 square under the root. That is 169. So L is 13. Now after solving this, our final answer is 1320 decimeter cube. Clear? Now students, I hope you are ready with both the chapters. So let us have a revision test. Clear? Now in the revision test, 8 questions are given to you. The first 4 questions are based on ratio and proportion, and the remaining 4 questions, that is question 5, 6, 7 and 8, all these questions are on 3-dimensional solids. Now students, try to complete these questions in 40 minutes. Clear? So all the best. Thank you everyone.